Hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Today we are going to start small demo of the Oracle software. Oracle 19C. Don't write it anything. This is demo classes now. Yeah. Oracle 19C. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. What type of product means I will tell you. 19 is a version number. C is a cloud computing only. Cloud technology is there nowadays. Here so many versions are there in Oracle. Oracle 1.0, 1978 onwards, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1. 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. That's called 8i, 9i, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C. These are the versions. So many versions are there. One of the version is latest one, 21 and 19C softwares. In our class 19, we are telling only. Now observe it here, concentrate here. What is this Oracle? Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation, okay. But what type of product this one? Now here, check it out. Screen, observe it. Now observe it here. Here Oracle. Here 19C, okay. But here, what is this one? Very good. Database. This is a database product. Oracle is a database product. Okay, fine. Database product. What is database means? I will tell you. Oracle is a database product. Database product. Now observe it here. Concentrate here. Oracle is a product, a database product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Oracle, other database products are there in a worldwide. Suppose here, SQL Server is a database product from Microsoft company. DB2 is a database product from IBM company. Teradata is a database product from NCR Corporation. MySQL is a database product from the open source. Nowadays, Oracle Corporation purchase. Again here, Sybase is a what database product from Ingress company. Again, Informix is a what database product from Ingress company. Like that, suppose in your mobile also database is there, SQLite is a database. That's why so many database products are available in a worldwide. But one of the most popular databases in a worldwide, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, these are popular database products from different companies. But one of the most popular database product is Oracle from Oracle Corporation. But what is the purpose of these database products means? Slowly observe here. Oracle is a database product is there. What is the purpose? Very good. One fellow is telling only to store data. Don't write it. What is data? What is information later? To store data permanently. To store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Secondary storage devices means hard disk is there or not? Yes, here. Permanently store data, to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Maybe these all the things everyone knows, I think. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Screen observe it. Suppose you are a first time non-technical person. What is this Oracle database? You don't know. What is the purpose? You don't know. Also, easily you are understandable something only. What is that one? Suppose everywhere these database softwares are available. Suppose all organizations maintain a what? A database. Suppose easily understandable purpose. You take a bank, best example, easy understandable, without any knowledge also. bank maintain database. Maybe Oracle database in SPA company, otherwise SQL server database from SPA company, or MySQL database from SPA company, ICICI Bank. Okay, so many banks only are now here. Yes, here. Different SBI are now here. ICICI, HDFC, different banks maintain a what database. Now observe it here. Bank maintain database. Now, what is the purpose? Bank maintain a database means everyone knows. Suppose here I am a customer, you are a customer. Customers are depositing a what? Deposit. Suppose I am a customer, I am deposit some amount. So now into the bank, that details are storing in some places required or not? Yes. Suppose I am withdrawing a what amount? Suppose here 10,000 rupees are there. I am withdrawing a what 3,000 rupees means 7,000 remaining balance is available in a bank only. The details are I want to store permanently. Whenever the next time I'm going to wear bank or I'm going to wear ATM center, I'm checking means remaining balance I want to know. That's why always whenever withdrawing a transactions, those details are stored in a database. And now here withdraw amount. Suppose here so many fellows are, I am also, you are also here is transferring a what data from one account to another account, online transfer. In those transfer amount from one account to another account, these details are stored in a where? Which one? So now in a database, in a bank maintain a database. Without database, where it will be storing it is impossible. That's why everywhere databases are available. For example, now here any company also we are taking. Suppose telecom company. So now telecom companies are so now here yes maintain a what databases. What is the purpose they are maintaining a what databases means? Always call details are storing in a where? In a database. Telecom company customer calls details are storing in a where? Some database only permanently. And now here yes again, and now here yes, suppose here I am also, you are also nowadays purchasing what items from the online shopping portal. Yes, all online shopping portals are so now here yes, here always maintain databases for storing a what? So now here data permanently. Suppose here Amazon, Flipkart, these so now here yes websites you are observing means those daily whatever so now purchase items we are ready to purchase, maybe that is giving a discount. Those all the prices changes a day to day or month to month like this only. The details are automatically coming from where? In a database only. That's why so many railway reservation, airplane, so many examples are there. Always databases are there. But your understandable purpose, bank I'm taking only. Okay, yes, here. How can I write a coding also we are learning? That's why now here, yes, here Oracle is one of the popular product from Oracle Corporation. That is a what type of product that one? Yes, here a database product. What is the purpose of the databases means? To store data permanently. Okay, in a disk only. Okay, fine. In a hard disk. Okay, fine. Yeah, that is everyone knows. Now check it out. Suppose you are a non-technical person. First, observe it here. Technical person means a well-known person. Suppose observe it here. You are not a computer student, for example. You are installing a what Oracle software into your system. How can you install also? I will tell you. Okay, fine. Otherwise, SQL server software you are installing. MySQL software you are installing. For example, these are database softwares. Whenever you are installing a these softwares, automatically some place is created that is called in a disk only, that is called a database. Okay, fine. Now suppose here I am purchasing a Oracle, otherwise okay, so I am installing a Oracle software into my system. Some place is created in a disk like this. Now tell me, anybody tell me now in this database, Oracle database side, you try to store a random collection of data. Any data possible or not possible? Very good. So many fellows are telling what possible only, they are telling impossible. Don't try to store a random collection of data. So now why? Because these databases are not a simple databases. These are nowadays, these are relational databases. What is relational database means? Later. Data is stored in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns only. Relational databases. The SQL Server is a relational database. Oracle is a relational database. MySQL is a relational database. Yes, DB2 is a relational database. Okay, so now SQLite is a relational database. Teradata is a relational database. So nowadays, all database softwares are relational database softwares. What is relational database software? Means data is represented in the format of matrix, because EF code only introducing a what that database is. He is a mathematician. Okay, so now in those days only in an IBM company, this person is working. That's why he decided to wear. Okay, so now we are representing a data in the format of matrix. Very easy understandable, very easy handling only. That's why Oracle is a relational database, SQL Server is a relational database, DB2 is a relational database. That's why in these databases, data, how it will be storing, not a random collection of data. This is different. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software. Whenever I am installing a Oracle software, observe here, yes, here automatically some place is created in a disk only. Okay, fine. In this place only, it will store a what? Structured collection of data. Observe it here, structured in a table format, the rows and column format. An organized fashion only data is storing. Observe it here, a structured collection of data. That is important. Here, this databases, these type of databases nowadays, databases stores a what? So now here, structured collection of data like this. Here, structured collection of data. Here structured collection of data it will be stored. Once a structured collection of data, not a normal data, structured collection of data. So now structured manner only data is storing. Structured collection of data is stored permanently in these databases. Once a structured collection of data is there, how we are operating about this data means some languages are required. What is that language? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling SQL is a language, structured query language. Through this language, you are also learning a what in our course side only on this language. Through this language, we are operating a data in a where? This database. Okay, fine. Why we are operating? What is that one? In so many examples are there. That is later. Okay, next class. First, observe it here. Suppose here, this is a structured collection of data is there or not? Check it out. This is a what? A stable format only data is there. Observe here. Here, observe here. A structured collection of data, not a random data. Organized manner, the data is there. Observe here. These are okay, table format, same like a what? Matrix format only. Rows are there here like this. Here, columns are available like this only. Okay, fine. Rows and columns. That is a matrix format. And also structured collection of data means observe here, this employee number is there. For example, some table is there. In a future, you are also creating like this. Here, only numbers are storing here. Observe here. Here also ename column, only strings are storing here. Here also only dates are storing only. That's why organized fashion, a structured manner only data is there. You are observing or not. Suppose here, this is another table only. A structured manner only data is there. A table format only, matrix format. In this column, these are called columns only. Here, okay, numbers are storing here. Yes, here a date. Okay, so now strings are storing. Here also strings are storing or not. Organized fashion only data is storing. Once organized fashion only data is storing, then you are also operating about this data by using some languages. Suppose here I am working in a company. You are working in a company. Your manager asking, I want to change the location New York into where? Hyderabad. They are asking only. For example, change this okay, so now New York location into where? Hyderabad is a location in a where? In this table they are asking. These are database, within database table format only data is there. Now whenever they are asking that one, you are also typing what? Some commands. Observe it here. Some commands like this. Update, table name, set here. Something is there. In a future, these all the commands very easy only. One of these days you are good. Now you are typing a what? One line of coding only. These codings we are learning in our course. Now here, this is called SQL language. This is updates command I'm typing. Yes, here whatever command, one line of 2 lines of coding only. This is called structured query language. Okay, fine. Now once we are typing like this, then automatically, now here observe here. Yes, here. Okay. Then automatically changing a data or not, check it out. Yes, here observe here, Hyderabad. In a previous case, something is there, that is a New York location is there, but in this case it will be changing or not. That's why how it is changing here, something we are typing only command. This is called SQL language only. Structured query language. SQL language is structured query language. We are learning in our courses. Don't worry. That's why what I'm intimating to you, you are a first time newcomer means Oracle is a database software. Okay, I'm agree. Same like a Java, same like a .NET. Some software only. Okay. And now here, yes, this is a what type of software? Database softwares. What type of database? This one, relational database. That's why Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix. Okay, these all databases are relational databases. Relational database means only stores a what? Structured collection of data. Permanently storing, okay, structured manner, organized manner, data is storing, not a random collection of data. Once a structured manner only data is storing, then only they are operating a what data by using a what? Some languages. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, in our class, observe here. Oracle is a database software. If you want to operate a what this database software, which languages we are using? Anybody have an idea? Yes, very good. One language is what? SQL is a language. This is everyone knows. Not only SQL language, another language is there in our course. After SQL language, we are learning a what? Another language only. What is that language? Very good. One fellow is telling maybe he is a Java developer. PLSQL is another language is there. PLSQL. Don't worry. These are very easy only. SQL, PLSQL. Not only SQL, PLSQL. Another language is there. What is that one? Dynamic SQL is a language. That's very easy only. Now dynamic SQL is a language. That's why in a very whenever you are joining a fresher level in a company, what they are giving a what a training in a way, suppose you are a Java developer means Java front end side, in a back end, yes, back end means these databases. They are giving a what SQL, PLSQL, these trainings they are giving one. Why means here these are database. Okay, fine. Yes, here once your thorough knowledge is there, any projects also you are handling very easily. Now here web-based application also minimum this knowledge is required only. Now here, but database programmer side also this one. What type of jobs are there? How can I? What is that one? Next class aside. Don't worry. Just observe it here. Yes, for operating a what this Oracle software. Yes, we are using a what? How many languages in a company side? SQL is a one language. Yes, another one is what extension of the SQL. PLSQL procedure language extension for SQL. Another one is what? A dynamic SQL language. That's why anywhere in the worldwide we are learning, you are learning a what course in a Oracle. In that course only these three languages they are telling. Through this one only they are operating a what? A database. Okay, the Oracle database. Okay, fine. Now understood? Yes, here. But unfortunately, you are a first time newcomer, for example. Okay, now check it out. Concentrate here. But where the which was now here, yes, newcomers having a doubt means I have an idea. Yes, through that one, I'm telling you what something only. Now check it out. Suppose you are a first time non-technical person. Okay, SQL language is there. But what is your doubt? I know. So now that doubt I will tell you now today. Okay, maybe 15 minutes concentrate. Most powerful. Now here, check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Suppose I am working in a company. Simple. I am working in a company. Whenever I'm working in a company, in my company side, Oracle is a database is available. Project is Oracle project. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Oracle database is available. Now, Oracle is a relational database. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, I am also my colleagues also. Yes, operating a what? This Oracle database. We are using a what? Which language? Yes, SQL is a language. I am also my colleagues also using daily through the SQL commands, insert, update, delete, select, something commands are there. SQL language commands are there. Through that one, we are operating a what? This Oracle database. Okay, fine. Suppose here in a same company, another product is there. What is that product only? Now here slowly observe here. That is a Microsoft product only. That is some other fellows are working only. Now that is also database product. That is a SQL server is a product. That is a database product from the Microsoft actually. That is also project is there. In that project only some other fellows are working. Those persons also operating a what? This SQL server product means then they are using a what? Which language? Very good. SQL language. That is universal language, structured query language. Through that language, they are operating a what? SQL server product. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Again, observe it here. My SQL is a what in a company side, same company side. My SQL is a what? A database product is there. That is also relational database product. Actually, so now my SQL database product also operating means yes, here my colleagues only, some colleagues are working only in that project. They are also using a what? Operating a what? That language means they are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. But what is my doubt? Otherwise, what is the, so many students in our class, demo classes, they are attending means they have a doubt only. What is that one? These all SQLs are same or different. Only one thing is correct. Maybe anybody guess it. These all SQL languages are same or different. Only one thing is correct. Easy. Maybe some fellows are guessing. These all SQL languages are same or different. Only one answer is correct. Very good. So many fellows are telling what? Same only. Same is the wrong answer. Different. These all SQL languages are not same. These are different. Very, very, very important. Different. These all SQL languages are not same. These are different. But why? Okay, so many students in our class only they are telling what a same means. Maybe you are a first time newcomer. Yes, in a academic career side, Oracle or MySQL, anything we are learning in a vocation of here, yes, a lab only. Or maybe they are typing a command, insert, update, delete, select like this. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 commands are common in SQL Server, MySQL DB to all the databases. First 4 or 5 commands are common commands are there. That's why maybe you are thinking of what that is a what same only. There's a wrong one. Those 4 commands are same, 4 or 5 commands are same also. That is not same that long ways. But how we are differentiated what that one means simple technique is there. What is that one? How you are understandable first time newcomer. This is not a same means simple technique is there. And now here check it out. And now here yes. PostgreSQL also that is also relational database. Okay. Yes here. And now here check it out. NoSQL, MongoDB, that is different. MongoDB is a what? Non-relational databases. Okay, that is a NoSQL is there. These are Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase. These are relational databases. For PostgreSQL, these are relational databases. Now check it out. Concentrate here. How you are understandable? These all databases, relational database operating means SQL language is there, but that is same or different. How you are understandable means simple technique is there. What is the technique means? Maybe so many developers are nowadays, so academic career side, they are good at what? Yes, here, object-oriented languages. Maybe so many object-oriented languages are there. C++ is object-oriented language. Java is object-oriented language. .NET is an object-oriented language. PHP is object-oriented language. Same language concepts we are comparing means then same databases also easily you are understandable. You are never forgetting, I think. Why? Because so many fellows are front-end languages. They have an idea computer students only. In academic career side, yes, but based on that one I will tell you. Okay, yes, here now check it out. Concentrate here. Python not a database. No, yes, here now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose simple technique, 5 minutes or 10 minutes observe to demo class. No, 10 minutes observe enough, easily understandable in a non-technical person also. Suppose I am taking a what? 2 object-oriented languages. C++ is an object-oriented language. Slowly observe here. 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, fine. C++ is object-oriented language, and also Java is an object-oriented language. Easy. Through this one comparing means that easy. You are never mistaken. C++ and Java is object-oriented language. But in this C++ or Java language side, object-oriented features are there. Oops, features are there. Object-oriented features. Object-oriented features are there. Okay, fine. What are the object-oriented features means? Oops, occasional features means so many fellows are having idea in academic career side. Class is a concept is there. Object is a concept is there. Again here encapsulation, otherwise inheritance and encapsulation is a what concept is there. Again here inheritance is a concept is there. Maybe inheritance is a concept is there. Another one is what? Polymorphism is a concept is there. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. Polymorphism is a concept is there. Here also in a Java also, oops, features are there. Maybe so many fellows having idea. And now here yes, object oriented features are there. Okay, fine. Features are there. And now here yes, in this oops features also, here also class is there. Okay, same concept. Here also what is object is a what? Some concept is there. Here also inheritance, maybe anybody having idea object oriented languages, they well-known persons. Again here polymorphism, some concept is there. Observed here. That's why conceptually same or not? Conceptually okay. Polymorph in object oriented features are there. That is a conceptually what means same. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, this conceptually these two are same also. Conceptually same is object oriented features are same also. But unfortunately, anybody having idea academic career side, otherwise anybody good programmer is there in C++, tell me in our class how they are creating an object from the class, only in a C++ language side. Anybody having idea syntax? Very good. Yes. What is the syntax means? Creating object in a practically from the class only they are creating object. Don't worry. Technical persons, well-known persons. What is the syntax of the where creating an object in a where from the class means just here class name they are using here class name So now here space object name, they are using only, okay, fine, like this. Suppose here, how they are creating an object in a where in a Java, for example, creating an object in a where Java side, same syntax, creates class name space object name, means it won't work. So now different syntax is there, you are observing or not, different syntax. What is the syntax of the where? Creating an object from the class in a C plus Java side. Maybe tell me anybody in our class, very good. Some fellows are telling class name space object name is equal to, so now here, yes, object name is equal to new class constructor, something is there. That's why these two are syntactically different or same. Very good, different, syntactically different. Here object is creation also there, here also object is creation is there, but syntactically different. Conceptually object oriented features are same, but syntactically different, not only syntactically different, functions also different. Suppose here in a C++, if you want to display output, means because these are different languages totally. Now here, then we are using a want, cout is a want function, we are using only like this. Suppose in a Java, same cout working, no. So now here their own syntax is here. Just here system dot out dot println is there or not? Yes, here out dot println, like this only there. That's why always functions different, okay, functions different, and also syntax is different, but conceptually same or not? Yes, here same like yes, here SQL language is there, no? SQL is a ANSI standard language. SQL is a what? ANSI standard language only. American National Standard Institute providing a what? Some standards in a way SQL language side. From this SQL language, here Oracle Corporation creating a what? Their own SQL language, that is called Oracle SQL. Oracle Corporation creating a what? Their own SQL language, Oracle SQL. Suppose here Microsoft, that is a what? Microsoft company creating a what? Their own SQL only. So now that is called SQL Server. Okay, so now SQL Server is a product from the where? Microsoft only. That is also Oracle, Microsoft also creating a what? Their own SQL language from this ANSI standard. That is called SQL Server SQL. Again, MySQL is a what? Son of your database is there. MySQL is a database open source. From the MySQL database also, MySQL from the ANSI standard, yes, MySQL database also creating their own SQL language only. That is called MySQL SQL language only. That's why all SQL languages are not same. Suppose in our class we are learning Oracle SQL, again same syntaxes we are copy paste in a SQL server side, it won't work. Because now here, yes, only first 3 or 4 conceptually same. What is joins, what is procedures, what is functions, what is triggers, what is package, like this means conceptually same, but syntactically totally different, and functions also totally different. Suppose in a Oracle, in a future you are learning only, if you want to handle the null values, means just we are using a what? NVL is a function we are using. Same function I try to copy in a where SQL server working, no, not working. Here they are giving a what in place of that one. Null is a function they are giving. Again, same function we are using in a where MySQL database, it is working, no. So now if null is a what? Function is there. That's why a different functions are available only. Functions also conceptually same, but functions also different and syntactically different only. That's why same like a what? Java, C++. So how we are using only same thing. Okay, so now here you are remembering means very easy, because you are a first time newcomer, no? Practically means you are understandable. That's why yes, here Oracle is a what? Database product from Oracle Corporation. And now here, what is the purpose of database product? Means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. And now here, yes, here, what type of database product is this one? Relational database product. That's why structured collection of data it will be storing. For operating a what? Structured collection of data, one universal language is there. That is called what? SQL is a language. But unfortunately, Oracle operating means in your company side only, outside only, you are learning a what? 3 languages. One is SQL, PL SQL, and dynamic SQL in our course. But unfortunately, all the database also, relational database also operating means SQL language they are using. Those all SQL languages are same? No, so not same. That is different. How you are understandable? This one means SQL is a ANSI standard language. From that ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation creating their own SQL language that is called Oracle SQL. Again, SQL Server, okay, Microsoft product creating their own SQL that is called SQL Server SQL. Again, MySQL also creating their own SQL that is called MySQL SQL. That's why in these all languages, syntactically are now very different, conceptually same also. And also these all the vocation of various languages in Oracle SQL, SQL Server SQL, these are functions also different, totally different functions. Same like a C++, Java, different languages, no? Yes, conceptually means object-oriented features are same like here also, some commands, one or two commands are same only, but unfortunately are now totally different. Understood or not? Yes, here. That's why comparing some other languages through we are learning means very easy. Here in our SQL course, only, we are learning so many concepts. Suppose here, maybe in a future, DDL, DML, so many things are there. Okay, fine. How we are writing like this only? Something is there. Actually, once you are good at that select statement, how can I write or anything, then joins is a concept is there that onwards most powerful SQL language side in every database SQL also. Either you are learning SQL Server SQL, otherwise our Oracle SQL, otherwise MySQL SQL. Here joins is a concept. Joins means the data retrieved from multiple tables only. Here some joins are there. How can I write? I will tell you. Once you are good at that one, here main chapters only. Constraints is a chapter is there. In this chapter, we are learning about primary key, foreign key, check, unique, not null, something is there. I will tell you all the things on. Once you are good at that chapter, then you are must familiar with the subquery is a chapter. This is a main chapter only in every database. Subquery means queries we are writing only. Suppose you are attending and you are Java.NET programmer. Your interviewer asking write a query to display entire salary employee, write a query to delete to duplicate rows, write a query to display second day salary employee. You are not writing means they are rejected immediately. Why? Because certain database minimum knowledge is required. How we are writing those queries means in every database, the subquery is a chapter is there in SQL language side. This knowledge is required. Just a very big chapter, this one only. Through this one, how can I write queries and okay, this all the things, executions. I will tell you, don't worry. Once you are good at that one, here sequences, synonyms, indexes, okay, set operators, match statement. So many things are there. Okay, like this only we are learning in our course. Again, not only that one, a PLSQL is a son of PLSQL is a concept is there. That is a little bit of programming only, but that is not a difficult, very easy only. One of these days you are understandable only, those all the things only. Now here, check it out. This type of little bit of coding is there. Here, observe it here. In a PLSQL, in our classes, you are learning only introduction part. Here, cursor is a concept is there. Okay, fine. In a PLSQL course side. After SQL, we are learning about PLSQL. Here, cursor something more. Again, here exception is some concepts are there. In that one only, after that one, very important Java.NET programmer must familiar stored procedures, because in out like this only, in out. Suppose Java programmers receiving a value from the database, they are sending a values from the where from into where in a database means here stored procedure is a concept is there. Through that one, parameters are there. Through that one, they are learning stored functions, triggers, okay, like this. And now here packages, so much of things are there. Recurse are okay, big concepts only. Okay, one of these days. And now that's why always these type of things are available only. And now here, yes, actually once you are good at those all the things, dynamic SQL we are learning only. That's why. And now here, what type of persons they are learning these courses, what type of jobs are available, and why we are learning little bit of coding also in a where in these databases where they are using only. Those are all the things I will tell you next only. Okay, this is a small demo. Anybody having doubts? Okay, SQL developer is a tool. Client tools are there. Here, our class side SQL plus tool we are learning only. SQL developer you are downloading means very easy only. SQL developer, SQL navigator. These are all the things I will tell you. Okay, don't worry. A small concept only. Okay, yeah. This is so now 1 minute only. Actually, yes, analytical functions also we are learning in our class. Don't worry. These all the things are there. Analytical function is rank, dense rank, row underscore number, lag, lead. So many things are there. Software also, how can I install one of the stage? I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, so after demo classes, in a software downloading also, I will tell you here. Okay, so now your one of the stage only installation steps are there, don't worry. Here, you are observed here 19C installation process. So now where we are downloading only, how can I in a Oracle site, or what is the steps are available? Now how can I setting an environment? So many things. Okay, practically here, this Oracle is there. These steps are 19C, how can I download it? And now what are the steps are there, where you are setting an environment? So now here, which username, passwords we are giving only. These are all the things, steps are available here. Screenshots too, we are telling only all the things. Then you are installing, don't worry. Once we are starting this, all the things, 1 or 2 days. Okay, but unfortunately in our course set performance tuning concept is not there. Okay, yeah. Yes, so okay, notes also I will give you, don't worry. Okay, so these are demo class, no, just don't write it anything, 1 or 2 days only, 2 or 3 days. Just observe it, what is going on, or something is there. So just once you are good at what, or maybe some environment, it is understandable, then only we are starting. Okay, yes, that's it. But unfortunately, this batch is a what already started in a where 10 to 11 actually. And now here, yes, 11 to 12, this is a add-on batch. This batch is combined into where 10 to 11. Okay, yeah. In a future, okay, yeah. Yes, management also will send a what recorded videos. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Recorded videos also they're sent in every batch also. Okay, this batch timings are actual batch timings 10 to 11. Okay, these are add-on concepts now. Yeah, 11 to 12 only. Yeah, up to some stages. Okay, na? Anybody having any doubts regarding subject? Maybe some fellows are having idea. Yes, here so much of actually here 10 to 11 actual batch timings only, but up to some stage only 11 to 12 I will check. Okay. After 2 or 3 days after, we will start our course only. Okay, up to that one, just observe it 1 or 2 days only. SQL PL, SQL languages. This is a development course. Okay, tomorrow you're understandable what type of persons are interested to learn these courses, where it is helpful. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow also same time. Okay, yeah. Same time, 11 o'clock, because morning 7 onwards up to 11 only classes are there. My other classes are there. There is no gap. Dynamic SQL means in actually PLSQL, we are not allowed to use DDL and DCL. These commands we are executing means execute immediate is a clause is there, through that one we are executing. Okay, yeah. Course duration is more than 4 months only. Okay, why? Because it is a huge syllabus. Perfectly you are learning means it will take a time. Okay, yeah. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you, remind. Okay, yeah. 2 or 3 days, or just observe it only what is going on. Later only you are decided. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you another demo. Recorded videos management only will send. Okay, yeah. You have to ask those persons. Thank you so much for attending this small demo. Tomorrow I will tell you more things. Okay, tomorrow I'll continue. Thank you. Thank you. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Same link, same timing only. Okay, yeah.